Hi, this is Sachin, and my teammates for this project are Raghav, Vishal, and Kshitija. This screencast is to demonstrate Selenium testing for our application Scrumster. Please note that Selenium testing was not evaluated in the last milestone. In this test, since we cannot invoke Alexa via Selenium, we are using our HTTP service to invoke commands. In our file, we have written three test cases. The first one is Google, which tests the creation of a calendar event in Google Calendar. This test case logs into the Google Calendar account by providing credentials to provide a view of the current week. Let us see how this executes. Please note that execution might take some time. We see that after logging in that there are 5 calendar events up till 12:30 p.m. and after a refresh, a calendar event starting at 1 p.m. gets added. So we see that the test case has successfully passed. Please note that Google Calendar by default shows us the dates for the current week. So if you're going to test this test case, please update this date to reflect any day in the current week. Now let us move on to the next test case. The next test case is Jira. This test case logs into the Jira account via credentials provided to provide a view of the current sprint. Here we move task 30 from to do to in progress. Let us execute this test case. So after logging in, we can view the current sprint and we see that task 30 is in the to-do list, and after the update and a refresh we will see that it has moved to in progress, as we see that here. So we see that the test case has successfully passed. Now let us move to the next test case, that is Jira summary. So in this test case, we log into the Jira account via provided credentials to provide a view of the current sprint. Here we compare the summary or points burned before and after moving a story, in this case story 10 with ID 22, from in progress to done. Let us execute this. So we see the current sprint and we will see that story 10 with ID 22 will move from in progress to done after the update and a refresh. So we see that the story has moved to done. And as a result, since the number of points burn has changed after the story has moved, we see that the test case has passed since the summary or the points burnt before and after moving the story are not the same. And that is checked by the assert not equals command. So these are the three test cases we have used to show the working of our application. One to check the movement of a task from to do to in progress, another to show the summary of a sprint, and another to show the creation of a calendar event in Google Calendar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.